Attention to the guard! Salute! Men, get ready for the march!
Let us welcome Chief Guest Brahmpasan SHO Nangram Thana. He is the Commissioner of Police Ghaziabad. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Also we welcome Principal, Vice Principal and all sisters. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Our flag is not just a piece of cloth. It represents the pride, history and freedom of a nation. Now, we move to the most significant part of our celebration, the flag hoisting. I request our Chief Guest, Dharampal Singh, SHO Nangram Thana, to hoist the flag and honor our nation. Also, I request Mr. Principal and Vice thinks with the dilemma to hoist the flag to accompany him for the scene. As we stand in reverence, let's join together in singing our national anthem. Let our flag always fly high and our spirits soar with pride. To follow, we have our flag song. Let's sing together with pride and oath. For you, ask what you can do for your country. Now let's ignite the spirit of patriotism with some powerful slogans.
दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आजादी सुप्रभात। आप सभी को इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। मैं सृष्टि शर्मा, कक्षा 6 प्लैटिनम की छात्रा, आप सभी का इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के हार्दिक अवसर पर स्वागत करती हूँ। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, माननीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आज हम सभी इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पावन अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। यह दिन हमारे देश की आजादी का प्रतीक है। जब 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा देश ब्रिटिश शासन से स्वतंत्र हुआ था, यह वह दिन है जब हम सभी उन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं जिन्होंने अपने प्राणों की आहुति देकर हमें आजादी दिलाई। महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जवाहरलाल नेहरू और कई अन्य वीरों के संघर्ष और बलिदान को हम कभी भी नहीं भूल सकते। आज हम सभी एक स्वतंत्र देश के नागरिक हैं, लेकिन हमें यह याद रखना होगा कि इस देश की स्वतंत्रता को बनाए रखने की जिम्मेदारी भी हमारी है। हमें एकजुट होकर शिक्षा, स्वच्छता और पर्यावरण संरक्षणों जैसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर काम करना होगा। स्वतंत्रता का सही अर्थ तभी है जब हम इसका सही तरीके से उपयोग करें। हमें यह सुनिश्चित करना होगा कि हमारा देश भ्रष्टाचार, गरीबी और कई अन्य सामाजिक बुराइयों से मुक्त हो। इसके लिए हमें अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करना होगा और एक अच्छे नागरिक की तरह सदाचार अपनाना होगा। अंत में मैं यह कहना चाहूंगी कि हमें अपने भारतीय होने पर गर्व है। आइए हम सब मिलकर अपने देश की गरिमा को आगे बढ़ाएं और इसे दुनिया का सबसे महान देश बनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Srishti. Children are the image of God. So let's now call the little ones from kindergarten for the next performance.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। मार्शल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
guest ACP Ravi Kumar Singh, Sister Principal, sisters, teachers and my fellow students. Good morning and a very happy Independence Day to all. Today we gather to celebrate the 78th year of our nation's independence. This is a day of immense pride and joy for all of us. It is a day to remember and honor the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who gave their lives so that we could breathe the air of freedom. Independence is not just about the end of colonial rule. It is about the beginning of a journey towards self-reliance, self-respect and self-determination. Our great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and many others envisioned a nation where everyone would live with dignity and have equal opportunities to thrive. As students, we are the torch bearers of this legacy. It is our duty to uphold the values of our Constitution and contribute to the progress and development of our nation. We must strive to excel in our studies, develop our skills, and be responsible citizens. Let us pledge to work hard, be kind, and help those in need. In our school, we learn the importance of unity in diversity. India is a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and languages, and this diversity is our strength. Let us celebrate this diversity and work together to build a harmonious and inclusive society. On this Independence Day, let us also remember the responsibilities that come with freedom. Freedom is not just a right, but also a duty. It is the duty to respect the freedom of others, to fight against injustice, and to work towards a better future for all. In conclusion, let us take inspiration from the past and work towards a brighter future. Let us be proud of our culture and heritage and strive to make our country proud of us. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Yuvika, for an inspiring speech. Dance is a hidden language of soul, and today we will witness this language through a vibrant contemporary patriotic dance by class 5th and 6th. That was a truly spectacular. Freedom is the right of every citizen. Now, we have Sharon and the plans from the KG section to speak on the occasion of our independence.
A very good morning to one and all respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. As we gather here to celebrate this great and remarkable day in the history of the motherland, a 78th Independence Day, as we celebrate 78 glorious years of our independence. Let's not forget the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters who give their lives for our motherland. We children are the future of India. The spirit of independence should always be there in our heart. Let's all pledge to love our country and always strive to work for the welfare of our country and make it once again the following children. So please shout out with me, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Sharon and Rukraj. Faith is the bird that feels light when the dawn is still dark. As we continue our celebration, let's turn our attention to a special musical skit dedicated to our patroness, Mother Mary.
Maria, Assistant Commissioner of Police Ravi Kumar Singh. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
हेलो आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल, सभी शिक्षण सदस्य और एसीपी ट्रैफिक और इंस्पेक्टर नंदगांव और सभी प्यारे बच्चे, आज हम आज़ादी की 70 वर्षगांठ मना रहे हैं। बहुत खुशी है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चों के हाथों में यह तिरंगा दिख रहा है जो फहरा रहा है। इसके लिए हमारे पूर्वजों ने कितनी ऐसे ही तिरंगा फहराता रहे सदियों तक, यही हमारी शुभकामना है। इस तिरंगे के लिए हमारे पूर्वजों ने कितनी कुर्बानियाँ दी, आज बच्चों ने दिखाया भी। चाहे भगत सिंह हो, चाहे गांधी जी हो, चाहे चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद और अन्य, और आज भी सिर्फ आज़ादी पाना ही महत्वपूर्ण नहीं होता है, उसको बनाए रखना यह ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण होता है। आज हम यदि भारत के आसपास के देशों में देखें तो हर जगह लोकतंत्र को धीरे धीरे खत्म किया जा रहा है। ऐसे में हम इस लोकतंत्र को एक प्रतीक मानकर और जितना इसको सदियों तक इस लोकतंत्र को जीवंत रख सके, यही हमारा कर्तव्य है। मेरा कर्तव्य ये है कि इस लोकतंत्र को सकुशल और जीवित रखकर आप इन सब बच्चों को मैं अपने हवाले कर सकूं और ये बच्चे फिर अगली पीढ़ी को इस लोकतंत्र को हवाले करें। यह हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व का पल रहेगा। और बच्चों से मैं यही, बच्चों की प्रस्तुतियाँ बहुत शानदार रही और मैं बच्चों से यही कहना चाहूँगा कि खूब पढ़ो और इस लोकतंत्र को जीवंत रखने के लिए जो भी उत्तरदायित्व है, जो भी कर्म आपके भविष्य में आपके सामने आए, उनको उतनी ही कर्तव्य निष्ठा से संपादित करना यह आपका कर्तव्य रहेगा, ताकि इस लोकतंत्र को अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ियों को आप समर्पित कर सको। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ जय भारत, जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir, for inspiring words. Now, it's time to applaud the winners of competitions and felicitate them. For that, I request Anne-Marie ma'am to come forward and announce the winners.
Respected Chief Guests, respected Vice Principal, dear respected Principal, and my dear students. A very good morning to you all. We have now reached one of the most exciting moments of the day, the prize distribution ceremony. Today we mark the hard work, creativity and dedication that each of you has put into your performances in the competitions held over the last couple of days. Every participant has shown remarkable talent and it's time to recognize those who have truly excelled. For this promising moment, I would like to invite our respected Chief Guest, ACP Ravi Kumar Singh, Police Commissioner Ghaziabad, to the stage to grace this moment with his warm presence and present the award to our deserving winners. Let's welcome him with a warm round of applause. Please clap everyone. Let's all quickly welcome our sister principal and our vice principal to the stage. Firstly, it's time to recognize the outstanding talent in our solo dance competition. From class first, Shanvi Gaur, first choral, has got the second prize. From class second, first prize goes to Vaishvik from second grouping. Second prize goes to Paki from second platinum. Third prize goes to Avika from second platinum. From class third, first prize goes to Dhruvi Bish, third platinum. Second prize goes to Mishti, third platinum. And third prize goes to Sanvi, third choral. From class 4th, first prize goes to Navista, 4th pearl. Second prize goes to Shreya Tyagi, 4th platinum. And third prize goes to RV Singh, 4th platinum. From class 5th, first prize goes to Sanjoli Sharma, 5th choral. Second prize goes to Lavanya Chakraborty, 5th choral. And third prize goes to Vaishnavi Soni, 5th choral. From class 6, first prize goes to Janvi, 6th diamond. Second prize goes to Ayansh, 6th diamond. And third prize goes to Rakshit, 6th platinum. Next, we honor the voices that filled our hearts with pride during the patriotic song competition. First prize was backed by Blue House. The students are Anya Tagi, 1st choral, Astha, 3rd ruby, Yashika, 3rd ruby, Angel, 3rd ruby, Geet, 4th choral, Myra, 4th choral, Kunal, 5th platinum, Chitranshi, 5th diamond, Riyan, 5th ruby, Aditya, 5th ruby, Aradhya, 6th platinum, Anika, 6th platinum, Harshika, 6th ruby, Rachit, 6th platinum, Ishan, 6th platinum, Vedant, 6th platinum, Manan, 6th platinum, Abhishek, 6th platinum, Kashish, 6th diamond, Purvi, 6th diamond, Avni, 6th diamond, Akriti, 6th diamond, Charvi, 6th diamond, Dev, 6th diamond, Chirag, 6th diamond, and Kashvi Bist, 5th choral. Second prize was backed by Yellow House. The students are Vrida, 2nd diamond, Avik, 3rd choral, Shehran, 3rd choral, Avni, 3rd choral, Pashi, 4th diamond, Myra, 4th diamond, Rudra, 3rd platinum, Shanaya, 4th diamond, Lavanya, 5th choral, Ananya, 5th diamond, Diksha, 5th diamond, Krishna, 6th diamond, Nivisha, 6th diamond, Huda, 6th diamond, Chirag, 6th diamond, Ananya Chakraborty, 6th choral, Shresht, 6th platinum, Divyanshu, 6th platinum, Yuvika, 6th ruby, and Palak Singh, 6th ruby. Third prize was backed by Green House. The students are Avni, 2nd platinum, Ronit, 2nd platinum, Vandana, 6th platinum, Daksh, 6th platinum, Yuvraj, 6th choral, Gauri, 6th ruby, Priyanshi, 6th platinum, Sadaf, 6th diamond, Harshit, 5th diamond, Advait, 5th platinum, JST, 4th platinum, Kavya, 6th choral, Akshaj, 5th diamond, Arun, 6th choral, Satyam, 5th choral, Anya, 6th choral, Anshuman, 5th choral, Rudra, 6th ruby, Alina, 6th platinum, and Adina, 6th platinum. And that brings us to the end of the prize distribution ceremony. Congratulations to all the winners. Your hard work and talent have truly shone through the day. Now let's invite our respected principal, Sister Leena, and our vice principal to felicitate our chief guest for gracing us with his esteemed presence. I would request all of you to please clap. We also thank Ziauddin Ahmed, ACP, Traffic Police, Dial 112 Gazeta. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, dear sir and ma'am. The best way to predict the future is to create it. To conclude this event, we have a grand patriotic display prepared by our talented students.
All the children, please face the ground for the PT display. All the children, teachers, please help the students to look towards the ground for the PT display.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना अब जो भी हो सोना बनके पत्थर है पिघलाना अब जो भी हो बादल बनके पर्वत पर है छाना कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से हम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के मिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से हम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के मिलते हैं
अपना है दिल ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे हथेलियों में भरे धूप और
Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Thank you all for joining us in such a memorable event. Let's uphold the values of faith, independence, and unity. Have a great day ahead.
On this momentous occasion of Independence Day, it is both an honor and privilege to extend our heartfelt thanks on behalf of St. Mary's family. First and foremost, we express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, ACP Ravi Kumar Singh and Manager Mother Betsy. Your presence here today has added immense value to our celebration. Your inspiring words and insightful perspective remind us of the true essence of independence and the responsibility it entails. We are deeply appreciative of the time you took to join us and share your wisdom. We would also like to extend our sincere thanks to our Principal, Sister Leena, and Vice Principal, Sister Dilma. Your support and encouragement plays a crucial role in making events like these successful. Your dedication to fostering our environment of learning and growth is truly commendable. To all the teachers, staff, and fellow students who contributed in the success of today's event, we are grateful for your efforts and enthusiasm. In closing, let us remember the sacrifices made for our freedom and strive to honor them by contributing positively to our society. Thank you all once again for being part of this special day. Jai Hind.
Once again, we are very much thankful to ACP Traffic Police also here with us today, and SHO also here, Nandagram SHO, and many are there with us. This is now a great privilege that you all were here. ACP sir, for the great presence, we are thanking you very much. Please clap your hands loudly so that we wish them honor them for their great presence here. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Once again, wish you all very happy Independence Day. Thank you.